In this video I am going to show you how to fix iTunes downloading issue on PC or laptop. Usually we can download the official iTunes software on Apple website. For now it's changed a little bit. Let's see how to download the official iTunes software. Okay, just open Google Chrome and just type iTunes for Windows. Search. Yeah, now you can see these links under Apple support, supportapple.com and en-us. Here also you can see iTunes for Windows 64-bit. You just need to open this official Apple website. Yeah, here you can see the hardware spec and software spec. Its file size is 201 MB. Yeah, you just need to click download. Then you can see the iTunes was downloading right now. Just like that. For now this is the only way you can download the official iTunes software on Apple website. I hope this video helps you. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors.